How to make more money as a barber. Top 5 ways. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to make more money as a barber. My top 5 ways.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, so I know you're wondering why I'm making a video about making more money as a barber. Well, you can just say I'm a consultant that specializes in marketing, and I want to help you guys build a business out of your passion. Number 1, teach people how to cut hair on YouTube, all right? This will be your easiest way to create a second income stream for yourself. It might take some time to build up, yes, but all you got to do is create videos, with tutorials about how to cut hair, how to do simple fades and things like that. And you can start building up a nice income stream as time goes on. Number 2, sell hair products through your YouTube channel. All you have to do is become an Amazon affiliate and sell through them, all right? Simple. Put a link in your description, and there you go, a nice stream of income. And the way you map out your videos, fairly easy. You do a tutorial or a recommendation video of a specific hair product. And then at the end of the video or somewhere in the video, say, hey, if you like this product, or you like what I did with this product, go click the link below and check it out. Go purchase that through such and such, and I get a percentage of that. Let them know that ahead of time. People will respect you for that even more, and there you have it. You'll start to gain a nice little income stream as time goes on through those affiliate links. Number 3, become mobile. Instead of only working out of your shop, start working with people like realtors and other busy professionals. You can come to their house and cut their hair, have them pay you through Cash App or Venmo. That's so you're not carrying around cash. You can have them pay you ahead of time. You can do this for weddings, fashion shows, birthday parties, tattoo parties. You just got to get creative and get flyers and business cards. If you need a link for those flyers and business cards, click the link below in the description. Also, if you need the link for Cash App, there is a link in the description for that also. All right. Number 4, speaking of having you get paid ahead of time, you can set your clients up on a monthly service. All right. You can even give them a discount to pay you monthly, so you can always have income coming in. Maybe a 5 to 10% discount just to get up on a monthly service. So instead of them paying you when they come see you, they can have already paid you for the month. You know what I'm saying? No matter how many times they want to get, their haircut. Maybe they want to sign up for one-time haircut a month, or maybe 2 times a month. Then they pay you, whatever that costs together, right? And you give them a discount just to do that on a monthly basis. There you go. So you always got income coming in, and bills aren't late and things like that. Number 5, create your own website, or you can outsource it. You can go to sites like Fiverr. You can, or I believe it's a few different ways to outsource getting a website made, or you can do it yourself, or you can pay people like me. If you want to pay me to set up a website for you, that link is in the description also, okay? Either way, this can be a great way to increase revenue for you. All you need is a domain name and hosting, and once you get that together, then you can set up a website fairly easy, okay? It could take you within 24 to 48 hours, or like I said, you can pay me, and I have it done for you in a day. All right? Number 6, if you're feeling really ambitious, then you should start your own barbershop. There is no better feeling than owning your own business, all right? Plus, you will make more money than just being a barber, okay? It's obvious, but a lot of people don't understand that, okay? If you need the full breakdown on how to start a barbershop and things like that, go to the website below, okay? It's one link in the description that details all this information for you, okay? So you can go there, check it out. It's my blog, it's my website, and I've created it myself. So you can get all that stuff. I mapped out these tips in more detail on my website, so go check it out. Plus, I've included some links you can get more tools to build your business as a barber or hairdresser or, hairstylist, whatever you want to call it, okay? So go ahead and check that out. So there you have it. How to make more money as a barber. My top 5 ways. All right? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.